Your boy VC. Welcome to VC Crypto Nation. And what we're looking at right now is not a teardrop on Iank's left eye. It is actual Terra Luna crying a red river. Now, most of you guys hold Terra Luna, and this is a very sad sight. Unfortunately, we are margin players and we short it, and we are excited. That is the greenest candle I have ever seen. It's phenomenal. We made tons of money off this, guys. But I wanted to get into was a quick conversation about this just so you can absorb this. Like, the attack that Terra Luna is under is ferocious, right? And sometimes you have something that is so big. And I think we all have to take a look at Terra Luna. And there's two sides of the coin here, right? The first side of the coin is there's a coin that is a stable coin that was able to create over $1 billion in profits by being stable, right? So if that doesn't tell you how much money is in crypto, it's unbelievable. Like, transaction fees are astounding. And this is why you've seen BlackRock make a move and get inside of Nexio and take over the USDC. Guys, if you're wondering what BlackRock is doing, there was a lot of people out there that said to themselves, why did BlackRock buy or get into or become the governance of the USDC? Because it's like BlackRock's supposed to be here to make money. And that's because what's important to money is transactions, right? You got to understand the blueprint of how these companies make money. How they make money isn't on products, it's on the transaction. So MasterCard, why do you think Vanguard and BlackRock own MasterCard, or big pieces of it, right? Transaction fees. It's always about transactions. Making the move to the USDC was huge because it's transaction fees. The very first person that's in their way is Terra Luna, or Luna. And Luna decided with the USDT to go and get crypto. Now, what we're covering here is just a simple flaw of belief, right? Hopeism, right? Hopeism is basically a moment where you have a technology that is unbelievable, and you turn and you just know that it's going to it's going to change the world. Let's be honest. Blockchain is going to change the world. The technology that most of these tech companies are going to go after are literally Bitcoin, right? And if you look at the news and catch all the different articles, you're going to find a lot of people that talk about the technology of Bitcoin and how great the security and all the things that it brings to the table. And at that end of the day, you have to put it into yourself that, if you're a young guy who's been in crypto for a very long time, you're going to believe that buying the technology that every other company wants, no matter the price, that you're going to have a good option, right? And what's weird to me is the understanding of markets, right? Because you can say crypto isn't a stock a million times over and realize that you trade it as if it's not a stock. But this is still some type of asset because you're paying money for something and you're holding it, right? And this comes down to understanding what you're doing. What you're doing here is you're not actually buying a stock. You're buying a roadmap or a white paper or a vision or a company with an ideal and a future. And what you really are angel investors. So investing in this technology, the hold is in everyone's brain that's investing over and over is that in 5 years, the market's going to be amazing. But I think we should take a real look at, USDT and what's happening to Luna and realize that this is a very big game to take over the space of transactions, because transactions is where they make money. And this is a problem because it will become problematic that if they get in a position where they handle the transactions with USDC, then they'll be pushing transactions for what you can trade with. So if it's not a pairing of a USDC with a particular crypto, then they're going to, and they can't come to a conclusion that works. They'll kind of do what Amazon does on the websites, where you won't get traffic to your website. So we need to watch this very carefully. If you're watching this happen, don't worry, guys. I know, there's a lot of people out there that, told you to hodl and not to do this and that. But what you need to do right here is just take the time and get educated on what's happening out there, so that as the next bounce and as we move through this May, this is a normal transition of markets crashing. It happens every single year, and the bounce backs normally come a little bit later. So right now, you just want to kind of take a look at the technology, see what's going on here, so that you can place your positions a lot better. But like I said, guys, we wake up here. A lot of people wake up to this red stuff, and it kind of goes like, you know, pretty much that's what happens when you look at your wallet. But what we're doing on the other side is we're practicing a craft called shorting the market, right? Meaning that we make money when it's red. The good thing about that, guys, is that at the end of the day, you take a look at everything. Like we slide to our Discord, and I was just talking to a couple people in the Discord, and I was just saying, man, I was like, it's great to go to a main chat. Like, when I look at something that is completely destroyed in a market that's like just red everywhere, and then I go to the Discord and take a look, and like literally all I see is people just chatting away about the money they're making. I mean, it's unbelievable. We're watching this incredible, retracement, foundations being built, bottoms being created, technology. Don't forget, like a lot of these projects are actually going to take money, sell coins, and actually dip on their own project because they need money to market, pay their developers, and kind of move this in another direction. So don't take it in any way. The crypto market is going to bounce back because blockchain is literally so exciting. The technology is not going anywhere. It's absolutely amazing on what's out there. So you just have to kind of, if you're new to this, you want to make sure that you get into spaces of just education. Education is key literally on everything you do, simply because you have to focus on learning on what all this stuff is. This is a normal situation. Unfortunately, when you have a market that is going down with a war, with hyperinflation, with stagflation, which your media is not telling you about, with gas twice as much. I mean, the interest rates are really 14-15%. They're just not telling you. So at the end of the day, we're in a recession. Everything's going on, and you have to look at it that Bitcoin, even though it's being pummeled, it's still above 24,000. Now, will it stay above there? I mean, we know it's going down to 28, but we're going to see how much money has come in from the institutions, and that's going to also, kind of set a bottom. So right now we're seeing where coins really should be. So if anything right now, you should be working as much as you can to get yourself in a position that you can literally take advantage of the runs and everything that's happening inside of this entire industry, because it's going to be a shopping course at some point where you'll be able to get in on the lowest lows, and that way the next time if you're a hodler or someone who doesn't know how to short or understand how to take profits, you will still have the ability to take advantage of really cheap prices so low that it doesn't even matter what you do. You'll still be in a good shape, and you can hold for 3, 4, 5 years, and you'll be where you're at. But other than that, guys, we just wanted to shed a little light on Luna, something there that's a lot deeper. They're trying to crash USDT. They're trying to crash Luna on purpose, and that's just because the USDC coin wants to be the number one coin, and that's the goal of BlackRock. That's the goal of Vanguard. So we gotta while we're in this space, we can't lose focus on why we're here, which is peer-to-peer, the crypto nation. Remember, guys, there's only one coin that matters, and it's the crypto coin, right? Crypto nation is all that matters. One nation, crypto nation, right? The entire world needs to make sure that what's going on. It's printing money. I love this one. But you got to make sure that you stand together, and that everything that you're doing is an understanding of it's peer-to-peer. It's building the networks that take care of people, and people are able to get growth out of it and companies out of it. It's just a lot more that's what it's built for. We got to maintain the peer-to-peer, right? So out of all this, we need to get more information as far as like sticking together, what it's worth, and how it goes. So if you haven't gone to get yourself into anything, there is a website. It is simply linktree.com/venture capitalist. And that will take you over to a link tree. And right here on the second one, there is a Join the Crypto University Discord. Inside there, 80% of the Discord is absolutely free. Bunch of people in there, thousands of people basically helping each other out. That's the Discord you just saw where they're just printing money. We have Ape Nation in there. I don't know if you guys are following that Ape coin. I make a lot of money shorting that coin, but there is Planet of the Apes in there getting it in. Those guys they're excited about that entire project. We're going to see how it goes. But I love when the market's crashing and I see guys posting 237%, 306%. I mean, 517% on Luna. I don't even know what to say about that. I mean, this guy's printing. I mean, you gotta love it. Entry price $33, exit or last price $26. Unbelievable. Wow. On a 20x. Whew, he's definitely buying the pizza. I mean, what do you he's buying pizza, right? Man, good job, dude. This dude came in and was crushing it. He's got to get it, man. He came in, he's crushing it, man. I mean, that's the kind of stuff like, dude, 500.
Oh my God.
And I mean, I don't even know what to say about that. But there's a lot of money out here, guys, to be made in the red. Make sure you stay focused on that. The crypto markets are made to make money on the up and down. The down is where the rich make money. Learn to make money like the rich. And that is pretty much all you got to do, man. But we need to watch the Luna a little more careful with the USDT, simply because all it basically is that BlackRock and the big contenders are trying to get in here and manipulate the market. Other than that, guys, do your research, make sure you're focused on everything going on out there. And for everyone out there who wants to make some guaranteed cash flow, we do have the VC 100K NFT Club. Guys, it's all about NFTs, free airdrops, free things you could sell. You can literally check out all these new projects and get paid to do it. So, I mean, that right there is an easy club to get into. Take advantage of this new technology, this new field, and really focus on what's going on and get yourself some percentage here. And this guy, 517, that's just ridiculous. But other than that, guys, good luck. Happy crypto. That's your boy VC from VC Crypto Nation.